In this video, I'm super excited to share with you these 4 winter decor, and this is also my first thrift flip video. It's a part of a collab and I will tell you more about it later on. So yeah, let's see how I made these winter decor. Keep on watching! Hey guys, welcome back and welcome back to myself too. It's been a while since I posted. So, if you are new, my name is Eileen. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get started. For this DIY, I grabbed this metal star from Value Village. It was $2.99 and I went out to spray paint it with the gloss Rust-Oleum. I gave it 2 coats and once it is dry, I will put some greeneries and some embellishments. I have this greenery that I have on hand. You can use any greenery that you have. I just hot glued it on top of the star, and this project is very easy. I just remove one of the pine cone, exchange it with the bell from Dollar Tree. And then I snow flock the greenery with my white acrylic paint. And then I have this 9 feet long berry garland from Dollar Tree and a fairy light. I will just wrap it on the stars like this. And then I just tucked in the fairy lights in the garland and wrap it on the star. And I also made sure that all the lights are in front so that it's more brighter. Then I just hot glued the battery pack at the back of the star, and I also decided to remove the greenery at the top of the star because it doesn't look good, so I just transferred it in the middle of the star. And also remember, we have another star. There are 2 stars. I just put it at the back of the star to look like 3D like this. Then tada, you're done with the first DIY. And this is a part of a collab with these talented ladies. I had so much fun working with them, and it's called the Winter Wishes Thrift Flip Collab. And it's hosted by Ellie from DIY From House to Home. Thanks, Ellie, for inviting me. And we have a playlist, so make sure to check it out. Let's proceed to the next DIY. For the next DIY, I saw these crates at Value Village. It was $2.99 and I only need 3 pieces. It came with a 4 pack, but we only need 3. And I will be staining it with my Waverly Antique Wax. I added a little bit of water to stain the crates. I just applied the stain with my paintbrush, and I also use paper towel to remove the excess paint on the crates. And I repeated this 3 times and let it dry. Once it is dry, I just use my hot glue to attach all 3 crates. You can use wood glue, but hot glue works great on this project. And then I added these real candle that I have on hand. I wish I have LED candles. I don't have it, so I'm just using this, but I don't recommend you using real candle. You might burn your whole house. And then I added some greeneries and more greenery with the snow flock. And you can use this table centerpiece all year around. Just change the greeneries. This is very simple and easy. Then, yeah, we're done with the second DIY. For the next DIY, I grabbed this shadow box from Value Village. It was $4.99, but it was 50% off. So I only got this for $2.50, and it's a nice size. And then I have this scrapbook paper. I will attach it using the glue stick. And here I'm just tracing it with my finger and cut it. As you can see, the board is a bit beat up, so we will be painting it with the linen white chalk paint. You can also distress the board, but I leave it white. Yeah, and I went out to grab some wooden sticks outside, cut it into size, and we're gonna be making a snowflake. I made a simple snowflake. You can also make the complicated one. This project is very relaxing and it's super easy. I just form a snowflake like this and hot glue it. Then you're done with this DIY. It's very easy. After hot gluing all the pieces, this is how it looks like. Ta-da! So what do you think? For the next DIY, I grabbed this chopping board, or it's a cookbook stand, and it was from Value Village. I will paint it with the linen white chalk paint. The board is a bit beat up, so we need to paint it. But I will leave this part as is. So I'm putting some painter's tape. And then I painted it, give it two coats. And then once it is dry, I just remove the painter's tape, and I also sanded the edges so that it doesn't look flat. Then I grabbed this home sign that I used on my previous project. This is from Dollar Tree. I painted it black and it has white distressing, and I also distress it more with white to make it like it snowed. And then I just had glued that on the board. And also I have this wreath from Value Village. It was $3, but it was 50% off. And this wreath form that I have it in my stash, and we're gonna make a winter wreath. You can also use this project all year around. Just exchange the wreath, then you can use it all year around. And then I added more greeneries and this white leaves from Dollar Tree. And I also added some white berries to look like a winter wreath. And then after I finish the wreath, I hang it with the gingham ribbon that I have on hand. I just hot glue it at the back of the board so that I can change this wreath later on. And then I love how it turned out. It looks neutral and wintry, and I was so excited to show it to my Nana Mikey. And she told me that, what if you're gonna put some bottle brush trees? And I tried to find some bottle brush tree at Dollar Tree, and I found some, so I added it. I did not hot glue it, but I think it looks amazing. I really love how it turned out. So thank you so much, Nana Mikey, for suggesting the bottle brush trees. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and let me know on the comment below what's your favorite. And again, don't forget to visit the playlist. I will put it on the description box below. Tell them I sent you, and be safe, guys. Bye bye. Take care and God bless you all.